Okay, so this is how to replace a spring in a Garmin GTM25. So this is the charger that goes into the Garmin Newies, some varieties. And what happened the other day, it looks like my spring burnt out, not the fuse. And so now it's all loose and jazz. And you can take this off, but the fuse comes out. So this just twists off if you want. The little plunger there comes out. The fuse comes out. And, oops, there we go. And this is my spring here. I don't know if you can see it there. So the spring is broken into two, and one's a different color because I think it basically burnt in half. So, and this little cap piece can just come off. So once you have all that out, what you can do is just roll up, peel this sticker, and there's a little screw underneath, and then that's out, and you just pry it on the side here, just get a fingernail in there and it should come apart. If you hold the cord to one side, it might make it easier. Hold it to maybe the bottom. And then the top just comes right off. Oops. There we go. So that's what the inside looks like. Now, since I lost my spring, I need a replacement. And you can probably find lots of springs, similar gauge metal. What I just did is I had an old USB cigarette lighter adapter just hanging around, so I just tore that guy apart and got myself a spring similar style. There you go. Now it's got a metal sleeve attached to all the circuitry, so I don't think that the spring is essential for the conduction like it is in some other wirings, but in this case you can just put that in there and then you should be ready to go with your fuse right in there. So now you just reassemble it. Easy as that. Just make sure everything is straight in case something got loose. You don't have to push too hard and break anything. And there we go. That's there. Put our screw back in. Hopefully it didn't tear the sticker too much and it goes back on. I don't know, mine might not look that good either anymore, but there you go. So back. Now, let's go test it. Okay, now let's just see if we can plug this guy that we just fixed into a cigarette lighter and see if it works. Let's put in this power outlet here. And we have a light. And it's on. It's running. There you go. And that's how to fix a power adapter for a Garmin if the spring breaks, specifically for the GTM25 model. But all are fairly similar. There you go. Thanks.